Have you ever wanted a woman who just didn't seem interested? Maybe she ignored your texts, maybe she acted cold, or maybe she treated you like just a friend. Most men give up at this point, but what if I told you there's a way to flip the script and make her see you in a completely different light? The truth is, attraction isn't just about looks, money, or status. It's about psychology. Women respond to certain behaviors almost automatically, and when you understand these triggers, you can turn cold indifference into curiosity, and curiosity into desire. First, you have to stop chasing her. Most guys make the mistake of trying harder when a woman pulls away. More texts, more calls, more attention. This actually pushes her further because it signals neediness. The moment you stop chasing, you change the dynamic. She begins to notice the silence, and that silence creates intrigue. Second, focus on yourself. Women are drawn to men who seem to have their own life, their own purpose, their own mission. Start putting energy into your goals, your health, your appearance, and your confidence. When she sees you leveling up, her mind begins to wonder why you're not giving her attention. That curiosity can be the spark that makes her look at you differently. Third, use the power of emotional contrast. When you do interact with her, don't be overly available or predictable. Be warm and charming one moment, then slightly unavailable the next. This creates a push-pull effect that keeps her guessing, and guessing keeps her engaged. Female psychology loves mystery because it triggers the brain's reward system. Fourth, build tension with subtle flirting. You don't have to be obvious. A confident smile, strong eye contact, or a playful tease can make her feel something she didn't expect. The goal is not to convince her but to make her feel something new when she's around you. Feelings create attraction faster than words ever could. Fifth, make her compete for your attention. Show that other people, friends, colleagues, even other women, enjoy being around you. Social proof is powerful. When she sees that others value you, her brain automatically begins to reassess your worth. Suddenly, you're no longer the guy she can ignore so easily. Sixth, control your emotions. The moment you get angry, desperate, or frustrated, you lose leverage. Women respect men who stay calm and grounded even when things don't go their way. Emotional control makes you look strong, and strength is magnetic. Seventh, be patient. Attraction takes time to grow, especially when it wasn't there before. Don't expect instant results. Every time you show up as the best version of yourself, confident, playful, focused on your life, you plant a seed. Over time, those seeds turn into curiosity, and curiosity turns into interest. Finally, when the moment is right, make a bold move. Women respect men who know what they want. If she starts showing signs of interest, longer eye contact, playful behavior, asking about your life, that's your chance to take things to the next level. This isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about becoming the kind of man who naturally inspires desire. When you stop begging for attention, when you focus on your own value, and when you give her a mix of curiosity, playfulness, and respect, you flip the switch in her mind. So, the next time you feel invisible to a woman, don't panic. Step back, work on yourself, create a little mystery, and watch how her behavior slowly changes. When she starts to notice you, it won't be because you forced her to. It'll be because you became the man she can't stop thinking about.